Hello and welcome to our Japan Travel Series Episode 3. In today's episode, we will be celebrating the spooky season of Halloween in Japan like no one else does. We will take you to Osaka, Dotonbori, an iconic place where people gather around to celebrate Halloween. Keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. After spending a few days in Hokkaido, North Japan, we headed down south to Osaka by taking a 2.5-hour flight. We landed at the Kansai International Airport, and from there we took a train to go to our hotel, which was in Nishinari Ward district. Now this area is a backpacker's paradise as it's got a lot of reasonably priced hotels and Airbnbs, and also it's conveniently located near all the top tourist spots. So our hotel was called as Da Inn. It was a 15-minute walk from the nearest train station, so we just walked to it easily. While walking, we explored the area. It was quite local and homey, with tiny restaurants and shops where you can get very affordable stuff. Our room in the hotel was built in traditional Japanese style with bed placed on the floor. Now most houses in Japan follow this style because of cultural practices or even practical benefits like maintaining good posture or saving space. The tiny room was neat, clean and costed us 6,800 yen or $44 per night, which is quite reasonable if you compare it to bigger hotels which are in the main city area. So we reached Osaka on 31st October, which was Halloween. Once we reached our hotel, we decided to quickly get ready and hit Dotonbori, which is the most happening part of Osaka, especially on Halloween. Dotonbori is Osaka's most famous entertainment and food district. This place never sleeps. It's full of bright neon lights, big wild signboards, and that iconic Gilko running man you've probably seen online. The Dotonbori Canal runs right through the center, adding a touch of beauty to this vibrantly chaotic area. On the eerie eve of Halloween, Dotonbori transforms into a massive outdoor festival with people dressed up in costumes, music blaring, dining areas everywhere, surrounded by vibrant billboards and lights. So the tradition of Dotonbori district being an iconic spot to celebrate Halloween has evolved over time. And now it's one of the top hotspots across the globe where people come and party and enjoy on this spooky eve. To reach Dotonbori from Nishinari Ward, the place we were staying in, we took a train from Tengachaya train station to Namba station. And then we walked for over 10 minutes to reach the main area. We were able to use our Suica card everywhere. It was easy to just swipe and take a train. Once we reached Dotonbori district, we walked along the streets and saw the massive shopping centers. There were big names like Uniqlo, H&M, Zara, Tommy Hilfiger and many others. There were a lot of local non-branded stores as well where we could get affordable and quality stuff. In fact, I picked up this white furry coat and a beret when we were there, and I wore it for the rest of the night to complete my look. As we kept walking along the shopping area towards the Dotonbori Canal, which is the main square, the crowd increased. Lots of people were dressed in Halloween costumes. We saw so many characters like Chucky the Killer Doll, Harry Potter, scary nuns, ghosts, anime characters, and lots of Japanese characters including Keroppi, the Japanese frog mascot. Oh, and along the way, we saw so many eateries, including fast food chains like Subway or McDonald's, to iconic soba noodles restaurant and other Japanese restaurants like Sujita Ramen with long lines where people were waiting to get a reservation. Dotonbori Canal is the center of the area and the main waterfront square. The canal added a touch of calmness amidst the chaos. The water was reflecting light and adding a unique charm to the madness. There was a sea of people over there. So the entire place was extremely crowded, and then we actually saw what the whole fuss was about. Lots and lots of people were dressed up and they were celebrating. Everybody was enjoying, and that's when we realized that people actually come to witness this crowd. There was also a party boat that kept running frequently on the Dotonbori Canal. So on regular days, you can book this 20 minutes Dotonbori river cruise online for about $13 to $15. We will leave a link below from where you can book this cruise online. On Halloween, this cruise gets special as you can dress up and party on the boat. To feel this massive, energetic party and crowd was once in a lifetime experience for us. I particularly am a very big fan of Halloween, and I was extremely excited to be in Osaka on Halloween. However, it got a little too crowded for us at one point, and we decided to move away from it. So, we found a staircase that led to the riverside area, and we kept walking away from the main square. There, we saw many places to sit, relax, and we also saw tons of eateries. It was super cool to see street food, sizzling skewers, takoyaki, matcha, ice creams, and lots more being sold on the streets. So Japan caters to every kind of traveler when it comes to budget. If you're looking to eat in a Michelin star restaurant or have Japanese gourmet cuisine, there are a lot of options for you. At the same time, if you're on a budget and would like to check out some affordable options, there are very nice local restaurants and also good quality street food that you can find in Japan. So finally, we found a nice restaurant near the river with some space, and we had delicious drinks and great food there. The atmosphere was extremely vibrant, minus the crazy crowd. So after dinner, we hit a club because we had to party on Halloween. In this sports bar, people were dressed up and having a good time with nice music and great drinks. We ended up enjoying, dancing and playing some pool. All in all, it was a hauntingly good Halloween. So a lot of people travel to Osaka just to visit the very famous Universal Studios Japan. This world-class theme park does not only appeal to children but to people of all ages. Its biggest selling points, of course, are the Nintendo World, Jurassic Park themed ride, Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and so many more. On Halloween, Universal Studios offers spooky experiences like crazy zombie encounters or a haunted house or even horror-themed special rides. Visitors can enjoy elaborate Halloween cosplays, haunted mazes, and tons of other fright-filled attractions to imbibe the spirit of Halloween. So the entry ticket is approximately 14 to 17,000 yen per person for the entire evening on Halloween. However, if you intend to visit this park for a couple of days or for an entire weekend, then there are multiple pass options for you. So what you can do is go to the Universal Studios Japan's official website, and as per your plan, you can check options and get the passes. So if you're a Halloween enthusiast like we are, definitely try to plan a trip to Osaka, Japan on Halloween and have the time of your life. Next up on our Japan travel series, we are going to Nara, Kyoto, and a few astonishing places that you would have never heard of. Keep following us as we take you through our last video of the series. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to us for lots more local travel content.